Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get WeFi Visa card. First, create an account and verify your identity. Download the app from a platform like BigGet, Lbank, or Atomic Wallet. Register for a new account and complete the identity verification process (KYC) by providing the required documents and a selfie. Next, purchase WeFi. You have two options. Option 1. Buy with a credit card or debit card. Go to the Buy Crypto or similar section on the platform. Select WeFi as the cryptocurrency to purchase. Link your Visa or MasterCard and enter the amount you wish to spend and confirm the transaction within your bank to complete the purchase. Option 2 is to buy another cryptocurrency. If you already own another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or a stablecoin, you can deposit it into your account. And you can trade that cryptocurrency for WeFi on the exchange. Number 3. Get the WeFi Visa card. Once you have WeFi in your account, look for the option to purchase a WeFi card on the platform. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will likely involve confirming your card order and potentially providing a shipping address for a physical card if it's available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.